Hi guys, if you can see something special here, if not, look at this one. Yes, this is not a toy, this is Dig, a Dig app for the Merge Cube. Now here you can use this app to build different position cubes on top of the Merge Cube itself and create some really interesting stuff. So this is something I've downloaded online, somebody else did it. It's like a green character with a hat. It's pretty cool. So let me show you something. So I can create a new one, yeah, new. So this is where you start from the basic, like this is just three ships walking on the grass, animated. Now you can do several things. First of all, there's the pointer that points onto the cube you see in the center of the screen. So I can just tap and build things. These are blocks. I can build a block on top of another block. Look at this. And of course, because it's pivoted to the merge cube, I can just rotate it around. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Like a sword. And you can change blocks. You have a variety of blocks. For example, I can use water. So let's try this thing out. I just tap on the screen. Oh, I built water and what I did. And different type of blocks which you can use. You can also remove blocks using the shovel. So you can just remove a block or even dig down into the cube by removing other blocks. Because this cube now, after it was virtualized, it's all made of those voxels. And you can just dig deep into it. Look closer. Look how amazing it is, right? Look. They have different types of cubes inside. Now another thing we can do is just load other models that other people have done. So we just click the book icon and then click browse. And we can continue building on top of what other people are doing, by the way. So let's see what we have here. This is the one that I loaded before. Oh, this one looks really cool. Merge house. Let's download it. Even the loaded screen is attached to the cube. Look how cool it is. Alright. Load. Look at this. So this is the water tiles. And it's a house and a garden. You can rotate it around with the cube. See how it looks. And of course you can just change things. So for example, if I want to delete the house, I can just choose, oh sorry, this one, yeah, I can just delete things. I can of course reload it again. It doesn't affect the original artwork because it's saved on the cloud, and you can just load it again if you like. It's up close. So cool it looks. It's one of my favorite apps for the Merge Cube. That's why I wanted to revisit it again. And if you like it and excited about the Merge Cube, you can buy it today, every day you want, or buy it for Christmas. It doesn't cost a lot, and it's a very entertaining accessory, an augmented reality accessory. So let's try to load more models. So let's go to browse. I can also create a new one, of course, load a save world and save the world. So if you want to, for example, create a very complex thing and it's probably going to take you even a few days to a few hours, you can save your work and come back and load it again. So for example, let's say that I want to continue working on this one. So let's save it and call it I don't know, W1, alright? And I click confirm and I choose a thumbnail, alright, so I can recognize it, and tap. Alright, now let's say that let's change it for something else, and just let's browse and bring some other model. Let's say this one, alright? Now I load it, alright? Now I want to bring back the other one. So I just go to the same screen, I click load, where is it? W1, this one. So I click load. There are 5 places, load spaces. You see? So then I can continue working on the same work. Again, save it and continue until I'm satisfied, and then I can save the last iteration. So that's how we save things. So, oh yeah, there are also some things we can do. For example, the door, campfire. Yeah, I want a campfire. So let's position the campfire here. Let's look at this. And here. And here. Or a bed. I want a bed. A bed. Let's put the bed inside the house. Second bed. Third bed. It's an Airbnb room. Mind me. Huh? Nice. Alright. That's cool, right? Okay, let's load another one. Browse. So, let's see what other people were doing. Merge cube, oh, that's nice. I think there was one really cool I saw before. Not this one. Oh, let's do it. Yeah, come on. Load. Wow, look at this. It's a fountain, a waterfall. Look how beautiful it is. And there's a bed over there. You can rotate it around. That's the beauty of the merge cube. You feel like you're holding it. Even the extension, that voxel extension feels like physical. You feel like you're holding something that's not just the cube, but the extension, the virtual extension, 3D model that extends from the cube itself. It feels good, like holding something. I would feel like I'm holding a sword. Oh, it lost tracking. It can happen sometimes. Overall, it's very accurate and steady. That's why you have markers on each side of the cube, so it can continue tracking the cube and knows recognize each facet, and that's why it's not jittery. It works really well and smooth. Alrighty, let's take a closer look. Nice. Texture looked really nice, and I like the shadows. It's really, really cool. Really cool. Yeah, this is the cube, by the way. It lost track me, so I'm just showing you the cube. And now we're gonna give it a short. Yeah, now it's back. Yeah, so this is it. This is Dig for the Merge Cube. I highly recommend trying this app out. And the Merge Cube itself, it's an amazing accessory. I mean, even for an enthusiast, AR enthusiast like myself, it brought something fresh and completely new. It's a new experience, something that I haven't tried before, and I really enjoy it. And the price isn't high, so you need to buy the Merge Cube itself. I bought it on Amazon.com. And there are some apps that are free, some of them are paid, but I think overall it's worth it. It's really a unique experience that really you can't find almost anywhere else. I mean, this is really a unique experience that most of you are probably gonna experience for the first time, like myself, and I'm sure we're gonna like it. This is just an amazing idea, and this app specifically, it's so much fun to use. Both for kids and adults, it's a really amazing experience. So make sure you download this app when you get the Merge Cube and try build stuff for yourself. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Until then, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want more Merge Cube videos, please just comment in the comment section below and tell me which one you want me to review, and I'll review it. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. Until then, see you soon. Bye bye.